Security, if you look the figure, it go be like say Oga Buhari no try at all. Because if we look Obasanjo, Yar'Adua, Jonathan, and then Oga Buhari, it be like say now more people don't die under Oga Buhari. But one thing we supposed to understand, we say the condition they different. As of the time where Oga Buhari they take over, things don't already hot well for Boko Haram levels. And the one where they pay me pass for inside that security owner, Boko Haram day, but he get another one for North Central, where they never even open mouth talk at all.
True.
As we did, so that they keep people every day for that side. They're supposed to talk that thing. Because for me, the way they look at that thing, even they more important than Boko Haram.
You don't give your assessments now on to say, okay, if we check these 4 governments now, it be like say the one when we say the first 100 days and our Oga Yar'Adua own. But like you talk, the conditions they're very, very different. Now, more come inside this one. The greatest problems when we say this government take when they enter now the issue of insecurity and also the economy. Sake of say we get situation when we say plenty states they owe, people don't even know where the money they come from. They don't know how they spend
on governors.
You say there's supposed slaps on governors.
Not true now.
But we no go take that level.
Yes.
Now make we look the issue of insecurity and check wetin Oga Presido don do. The first declaration now say okay the people when go just sit down for AC for Abuja, they check the way when things they go. Say no, he go send them go the theater of operation, make them go they collect the heat, make them see as the thing be. People talk say this one a good one. We don't already consider the kind changes where we say him bring come the era the hierarchy of the army and the new things when we say they don't inject inside them. Now we don't check the first 100 days. Somehow, you get the time when we say every Sunday or every weekend, and we hear say these people strike for somewhere. But somehow it be like say the activities they try they check them now. The thing will be like the way when it be at some point. Now make we look the 100 days, can they look forward for the area of insecurity? You think say this government with the way when they don't shake their body, we go feel make progress because they don't set deadlines say in 3 months and our army they don't they talk say even before that 3 months reach with what they don't do it be like say but we don't hear this one in the past when we say Boko Haram come like say they follow back door. You think say with all these new changes when they introduce things go they different?
Now he don't make changes. I know the changes where he do they good though. May we not talk down. But the thing we say Boko Haram now waiting for Oyibo that they call limited war. Now, the thing about limited war, we say, they end just like that. If you say, okay, in 3 months we go end up. Because as it did, so the mistake where Boko Haram make one time, and at the time where they can't start to seize land. It's not they just return, they just stay for that thing where they first start, say, hit and run. The thing for they worse than as it be so.
So it good for us.
It did good for us. But at the same time, may we ready say they go return to that hit and run. In short, they don't already return to that hit and run.
True.
That's the truth. And hit and run, you know if you say, okay, we go just end them. Because you don't know where they fit as we did, so I feel be one of them. You understand? You don't go
like
no.
a typical example you give, that the other second set of people they terrorize, maybe say their own, and that approach, then they use somehow. Hit and run.
You just know. So that hit and run, we supposed to prepare for them. Because to stop that hit and run, the thing we supposed to do, not be just military, but also na economic. Because now from inside the people where they ground, now that they recruit. And waiting they make them to recruit those people. Now, the situation of say, okay, people just sit down for house.
They don't get work.
Then they lights no day. Then person will just come and say, okay, come follow me. I go give you work. I go do this. I go do that. They go follow them. And one thing about all these kind of places, there are things like Boko Haram, they go first start. They will first give them those things. Then as they go on, they'll come they indoctrinate them. Say this thing where they give you. This is not what you go do for us. This is not what you go do for us. Maybe sometime later you go give us your pikin, make we put bomb and make go kill people. Because if we kill those people, then more of your people will feel provide for them. So now to stop that, and at the end of the day, now economy again. Because by the time economy dey okay, people get work. And one thing we suppose know, we say, no be everybody fit get work. Even for the best economy, no be everybody fit get work. But we suppose reach that stage where majority of Nigeria people get work. Once majority of Nigeria people get work, then we go down reach that stage where people like Boko Haram no go see who they go recruit. Because that's not the problem. The first problem is say too many people they jobless. I mean, like if I go really now, they fear now. Because you just see boys will be my age for hot afternoon, they just sit down, they play ball. Imagine say something like Boko Haram dey Lagos. Now from there they go recruit now.
That's true.
So that's not the thing. That's economy. they're very vital, very crucial to our security. If we not do the economy well, all the security thing we do now waste.
But we could also look at Oga Mohammed Buhari don't enter. But with the stages, with the changes and the appointments we don't make so far, and from your own side, I know say maybe if you talk say a 100 level not today strong compared to a particular government 100 level, but from what you don't see, Shey says this economic upgrading and we say go provide ground for employment and all that. Shey say we know if see am achieve. We know say yes, unemployment day.
Na major problem where we dey face.
But then with the kind action you can't move.
No lie you the way in start when it comes to economy, you know give person, you know sweet person for belly. You understand? Because the first thing we suppose have point, or one of the first things, if saying they're very serious about economy, now at least chief economic advisor. We know they talk say me appoint minister of economy, but at least chief economic advisor, person we go because see the truth of the matter is Oga Buhari no be economic.
But then he also he talks saying they taking time. Make you no rush into because if you rush into something,
this person we go they give him advice.
Okay.
So you get person we go there inside, they say, Oga, this is not the thing where we they call indices, this is not the thing where we they call stock value, this is not the thing where we they call portfolio. That person no day. And Oga Buhari na soldier man. The truth of the matter is that as soldier man, he no get that training. So he no fit do, he get some kind of things where he no fit make some kind of decisions. So we go just there, we go they float. And as we they float, we don't see the effect. We don't see them because as we did so, for example, dollar, we know they show off the value. With the dollar and naira. I know say pound. But one of my guys
but based on this one,
for pound.
We hear say yes. He gets some starting moves where he take recently, or to say just to make sure say at least the dollar rate slashed down a bit. You understand? Some of these actions.
Not be by slashing down a bit.
You go start off from somewhere now.
Not be everything where they start because the truth of the matter is say if you they slash down dollar rate artificially, it go they affect other things. You understand? Some of these things you supposed let them they self-regulate. That's what they call market forces. You understand? Make them self-regulate by themselves so that we go know the true position of things.
Very true.
Because as we did, so some of these things we don't know the true position. Okay, look the other time whether for July. As they try hold naira for 199, they can announce say people where they go hard, where they go pilgrimage, they will give them naira dollar at 160. You understand? Those little things, no just they help at all. So people when they invest, go they look and say, hey.
So, but these are some of the actions we take when in the military head of state. We even can stir up somebody like
which one, baby? Why they compare military?
Hold on.
Don't tell me to hold on.
If we stir up some your interest.
If we take the time
to say yes, make him come back.
If we take the time we be military head of the reason why, for example, me, I vote Buhari, I follow campaign for him. I no go lie. And if we do the election again, I go do him again. Because the government will pass, no try at all. One thing when my work they make me do, I travel around Nigeria, so I did see. Nobody one where they go say, oh, we do this. That time when them Jonathan they talk say they do this. Me, I know saying a lie that they talk half of the time. Like time when they say they do Enugu, Port Harcourt road. Me, I know saying a lie. But the truth of the matter be say, the time where we not supposed even look the time where Buhari be military head of states. At all. Talk after this time. Because that time, the truth of the matter be say, that time he inherit sick economy. The economy we inherit they sick. He no try to resurrect them. He just do it. See, may we look something, okay, like for example, one of the things where they talk for their manifesto now this, they go feed children for school. Where the money for one come?
Thank you.
Economy they sick.
Thank you.
As we did so. As economy they sick, the first question, where the money for one come? As we did so, oil prices, our budget now benchmark of 53. Waiting the oil price yesterday, 30 something, I'll be 41. So that gap, how want they plug that gap? Not be just to carry the Tunde Fowler put say okay, may they raise tax because if you start to the raise tax, now you and me go come meet say okay, bring more money. Then if we bring the more money and then we no fit give them the more, we no see service, we'll start to the fight. Everybody go start to the fight. Economy go scatter again.
Oga Cheta, the way when you talk this thing now, there's no way when we say we fit divorce security matter from the economy.
No way.
Two of them they together, and if you want solve one, you must treat the other one to solve am. Make we come this our area of the economy. Whether we like am or not, the reality be say our country, our accounts don't red. Because we get plenty states when we say that they owe, they don't even know where the money go come from. And some governors there when we say once the money come, they don't even know where they don't know where they go take the money do. Because like hey,
they use the money to pursue women do party. or put them for fixed deposits? You know now.
I don't know.
Or they use and take host football match.
No, why they point me
Sit
now?
down for golden seats.
Why they point me?
Now Nkubi go know that one.
No, because of say we are waiting, as if you don't get the same governor, so they do the same.
No, but you say we get it. So you admit say our governors they do that
Your own
thing.
feed they done as well. I mean,
We they say our governor, action governor now.
no,
when
no,
they
like
go,
which same way where you get action
the
governor,
one when they
like
go
get
catch
at my own
people when they
side.
come late to work now. When they,
That one.
Action governor
Okay,
now.
what of the other one? We host match. Follow sit down. Just the sit down for
you
golden
just
seats.
patriotism, so that Nigerians,
Patriotism,
you know, we love football. Football now something when they
Then
unite us. all.
he can't tell us saying don't do 42 roads in 100 days. Which 42 roads?
Maybe the plan of the road.
Nah,
What
forget
about
that.
the governor when they go they buy goat unko?
Chuko, they mind yourself.
Now they tell me my mind. When they talk my own, they say,
He
talk your
come
own.
and saying they do it in they empower people. So now empowerment
with goat.
Empowerment. Cow, goat, bring into goat a male species, female species, put that together. They go they produce an empowerment in color. So now what thing they do?
Oga Cheta, you don't see what at the face of
But
politician.
you see waiting with they talk. Governors bad for all the sides, and that's the place where we mess up for this election. Because the biggest problem we get for this country, the two biggest problems are the governors plus National Assembly. But everybody they look Buhari. Where you they stay?
I dey stay for this area at the area when I dey
Who be
stay.
the local government chairman for your area?
You
You see yourself.
be like say.
Me, in fact.
Why they give an eye? May no ask you.
No,
Ask them so that I go fail. When I know that two of us no. Who is your local government chairman?
In fact, you should remember say I travel go Villa a couple of weeks back and then.
Who is your local government chairman for village?
You answer your own.
You fail 2, I fail 1.
Mind
You are
yourself.
worse.
Don't
You are
even
worse.
bring that before me.
What you don't bring
You
that?
get just respect yourself.
Now you go respect yourself.
Respect
If they talk my own, you go do. Answer your. Who is your local government chairman?
Oga Cheta, mind. Okay, right about now, we don't see all the at least the 100 days don't come, we don't go. With the fact that yes, we still on top of them and still they talk about
Now
am, still
105 we dey
exactly 105. Okay, right about now, we know say yes. Oga Muhammad Buhari, okay, me I know say okay, maybe during that time when they do campaign. We know see that they are applying say they go do this one, they go do that one, they go do this one. As if you understand, Nigerians anticipation can be very, very high. Say yes, we don't get that president. We go yes, we go do a bracata overnight. Yeah. So right about now we say yes, some of those things where they promise, or most of those things they promise, we don't even see the limelight of most of them. Okay, now we say 100 days don't come, don't pass. Waiting, which approach you feel say we fit follow now, or if you follow to say, look, Oga, time for your drama don't pass, make we face reality.
Okay, see, the truth of the matter be say, if we want look the things where Oga Buhari don't do fast right now, now things where in get 100% control of. You understand? Many of the things where he needs to do to really bring change for this country, now things where he needs Oga Bukola Saraki and Yakubu.
And they know they in
and they know the National Assembly. Now see, that's what I talk. Our National Assembly as a day and a real waste. All of them, all of them, they are real waste because we need those people. You get this thing there, this exclusive legislative list where we get for constitution. Where now 68 items where you no fit do anything.
Only the federal government
Only
will
the
fit do
federal
Yes,
government.
yes.
And before we feel move on some of these things, before Nigeria fit start to be productive on some of these things, we need a situation where now the states go fit do am. So, for example, you no get any reason where water boku everywhere for Akwa Ibom, they no fit build ports without federal government to give them approval. So many of the things to start to move Nigeria forward, many of the things are things where they go sit down for National Assembly, trash amounts, finish.
pass the bill, say
Pass the bill,
give am, make now go ahead.
But as the day so for that National Assembly, waiting the open eye talk the other day, say they want to start probe on top
Power sector.
Power
Power
sector.
sector.
See, lights don't better for my house. So what do they do use probe for? Give me the light, and then come out that okay, may we talk this light thing. Come out that law where they talk say everybody must pump light enter national grid. Why person go generate power for Lagos? He go first pump and go Oshobo before they say come back Lagos. Why? Why we not get law say Lagos, anything where they generate, may they use them for Lagos alone, and then from Lagos, if they get excess, they go come sell them to Oshobo. Why? So many of the problems where we there, as we there, so may we talk through Nigeria they structured to fail. And the only way Nigeria fit start to dey pass now when our National Assembly sit down, work, look all these things with our constitution, where they counteractive to success, and then comot them. And the thing is serious work.
But if a lot of the people in our National Assembly, based on say as President Muhammadu Buhari talk say change, many of them can't run under the change this thing,
platform,
can't use and reach that office. If they really talk say change.
But they know they talk change. Now no be then the other day they talk wardrobe allowance and all that.
Now their people, now their people now.
Plenty money.
Now their people.
They don't chop the money clean mouth.
They don't. We go quickly rush. Go. Now your people.
Don't
now is it not your people?
No, be the same half the day.
Go
the break.
Go this break. Come back. We'll continue our discussion as they up. Now you know say they're the same house.
Your people.
When una hold us to ransom for 49 days, what you come and come
If you know say na just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.